Hello, it's me again, the Custom Mechanic. And tonight what I'm doing is I'm replacing the positive battery cable terminal on my cables because it was all screwed up to a point where it's just a mess. It's fried. It will not stay tight on my post at all. So what we're going to do is we cut it off. As you can see, I already clipped it off. I just used regular wire cutters to do that. And I'm going to, then what you do is you go ahead and you take the wires that you got off of there and you take off part of the, however far down you're going to go to put them together. So you take your wire cutters and you just cut around the sides, pull off the rubber on that one, do the same thing to this one over here because there's two that was inside that post, not just one. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put them together. I'm going to twist them together on here. And that's easier said than done, by the way, because these are not wanting to twist together very well at all. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to use a pair of pliers, but I wanted a better pair than those because I want something so easy to go flat. So we're going to try. I'm going to try anyway. Yeah, so I'm going to try to put these two wires together better. I'm going to flatten them out. And then try to twist them around each other because they are not wanting to fucking cooperate because I'm not strong enough for this shit. I'm just not strong enough to twist these damn wires together. Because this is some thick ass freaking cable. This isn't your ordinary speaker wire. This is not like twisting some fucking speaker wire together. That's for damn sure, I'll tell you that right now. Alright, so anyway, get them together. There we go. I think I got it nice on there like that. I think it'll work. Then you take your brand new, where the hell did it go? Oh, right here, brand new terminal that I just bought. And you just take off the, I'm just going to take off one side. You take it off, and as you can see in there, there is a groove. And we're going to lay these wires in this groove as careful as I possibly can. And I may have to take off the other side too because it looks like it's not going to go around that, so I'm going to have to take this one off too. Anyway, that does not surprise me. Nothing is easy with this car. This car is constantly, if it's just a bolt that needs to be removed, it's going to be froze on to a point that it's going to make you cry. So this doesn't surprise me that it's not going to be simple. And I like the certified guy that I just watched do this. He was able to just twist the cables. Just twist them together like it was nothing. Just, looky here. You just twist them. Yeah, right. Fucking shit. I cannot fucking twist that damn cable. I ain't strong enough to twist that fucker. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that on there. Hopefully it'll stay like that for me, please. Don't be a bitch, car. Now, I'm going to put this one on. Oh my God, you little fucker. Okay. Okay. Now, just gotta get that fucker started, man. Oh my God, you motherfucking. Right on. Right on. Stay right there. Don't move. Alright, so I'm going to try to get this one down as much as I can. I got to try to stay pretty damn close because these wires are so fucking short. I cannot cut them any shorter. So, I'm trying not to lose my shit. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. It's basically fucking putting these freaking bolts back in this terminal with the two little wires in there at the same time. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I am. I'm trying anyway. It's being a real fucking bitch. All right. Oh my God. I don't know why it's being such a dick to me right now. But, like I said, my car, nothing is easy. Not a fucking thing. She's always got to be complicated. Always, 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 always. Motherfucker. All right. Well, anyway, I'll try to figure it out. Alright, now hopefully I got that. Hope I got that. I think I do. Yeah, I got it. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, so I got them in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get them as tight as I can with my hand. Okay, and then just make sure they don't fucking fall out. Okay, now I'm going to take pliers, or my wrench I mean, and I'm going to finish tightening these bastards down because I'm not going to have another episode like I had today. So let me tell you a story. I was driving down Glenstone today, just minding my own business, listening to my rock. And all of a sudden, my radio turns off. And then my dash lights flash. Then my radio comes back on. Then it turns off. Then everything shuts off. And I have absolutely no power at Sunset and Glenstone. Right before the Starbucks. And I'm in the left-hand lane. Of course I am. And so I have to get out and push my car across the street. And do you know that nobody stopped to help me push that fucking car across the street? Not one person. And this is in the middle of rush hour freaking traffic. And people are trying to go around me as I'm pushing my car across the fucking street into the parking lot. So anyway, I finally get it across the street. And then some very nice men came out from a barber shop and helped push me into a space. And shout out to y'all. Thank you very much. I appreciate all your help in getting me out of that, out of the road. Thank you so very much. Because I was sitting in that turn-in, just sitting there. Okay, so now we got that on there. I don't like the fact that these wires right here are kind of exposed a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm taping this sucker up. But as you can see, I got them in there pretty tight. And I made sure that they stayed together. Yep, they're definitely in there together. They are a pair now. And there we go. And that's what you do. That's all you do. Rock on. That's it. Right there. And like I said, I'm going to wrap some black tape around there. So that way, because I don't like it. I don't like exposed anything. But anyway, and make sure that before you start any kind of project on your car, always disconnect your negative cable, please, from your battery. And don't ever let any of your tools touch your positive post or anything. Anything metal. Don't let anything. I just don't like to even use metal on the car anyway. So, but anyway, thank you for joining me. And that's how you put a terminal. Take care, man.